Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legend, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Over here you need to type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then just I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. After that, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper by tapping over here and click Set Wallpaper. Now tap on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go up Home Screen only, so I have to click on it and go back. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!